Keep pushing. God is faithful. This is sketch. Oh gosh. It's like sinking sand or whatever. It's clumpy. Look at that dude. Looks like he's This is the last sunset of this kind. Forever. Don't take a day for granted. Sometimes if you look up or you really look at something for a while, you just be present and listen, you'll find God's love. Love you guys. This is the sun. And like the Son of God, there's the narrow path. And it's light. He's the way, the truth, and the life. And everywhere else, that's the broad. Travel the narrow.